In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Strava account. Deleting your Strava account is a significant decision. This action will permanently remove your account and all associated personal data. It's crucial to understand that this process cannot be undone. Once your account is deleted, Strava cannot recover it. Before you proceed, you might want to consider downloading a copy of your data. This way you will have a record of your activities and achievements. To start, open the Strava app on your device. You will see the familiar interface with various options available. Make sure you are logged in before proceeding. Opening the app is the first step in the process, and it sets the stage for what comes next. You want to ensure that you are in the right application environment, making it easy to navigate through the settings. This initial action is straightforward but essential for the next steps. Next, tap the U tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab typically features your profile information and various personal metrics. By selecting the U tab, you will gain access to your account settings where you can manage your preferences and account details. This is a significant part of the process as it leads you to the settings where account deletion can be initiated. It's important to know that navigating to this section makes further actions possible. Once you are in the U tab, tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the top right corner. This gear icon is a universal sign for settings and indicates where you can manage your app configurations. Tapping this icon opens a variety of options related to your Strava account. This action is critical as it leads you directly to the area where you can find help and account management options. It ensures you are in the right place to proceed with deleting your account. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find the help option, then tap it. The help section contains useful resources and guidance for Strava users. By accessing help, you are taking the next step toward finding the option to delete your account. This is important because it connects you with the resources necessary to make informed decisions about your account. It also reinforces your awareness of the different support options available if you have questions. After accessing help, tap Delete Your Account. This option is specifically designed for users looking to remove their account permanently. Once you select this, you will be prompted to sign into your Strava account if you are not already logged in. This step acts as a security measure to ensure that only the account owner can initiate the deletion. This added layer of protection is vital for maintaining account security. If prompted, sign into your account. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure a smooth sign-in process. This step confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with the deletion. After signing in, you will see options related to account deletion. It is crucial to complete this step accurately to avoid any issues later on. Once you are logged in, you can move forward with the deletion process confidently. At this point, you have the option to request and download your data archive if you want to keep a copy. This step is optional, but it is wise to consider if you want a record of your activities. By downloading your data, you ensure that you have saved any important information before deletion. If you decide to do this, follow the prompts to download your archive. This little step saves you a lot of time later if you want to retain your activity history. Next, check the box confirming that you've either downloaded your data or that you do not wish to keep a copy. This confirmation is necessary for the process to proceed. It ensures that you are fully aware of the implications of deleting your account without a data archive. Make your selection carefully, as it affects how the next steps will unfold. This confirmation helps Strava understand your preferences regarding data retention. After confirming your choice, tap Request Account Deletion. This action initiates the process of permanently deleting your Strava account. Once you complete this step, you will receive a confirmation email from Strava. It is essential to remember that this action cannot be reversed. You are now on the path to finalizing your decision, so it's important to be sure about this step. Open the confirmation email from Strava once you receive it. This email contains a link that is crucial for completing the deletion process. Clicking this link is the final step in verifying your intent to delete your account. Make sure to check your inbox or spam folder if you do not see it right away. This email is necessary for ensuring that your account deletion request is legitimate and verified. Finally, tap Delete Your Account in the email to permanently delete your account. This action completes the entire process. You will no longer have access to your account, activities, or personal data. It's important to understand that this step is irreversible. Once you click this link, your account is gone for good. Take a moment to reflect on your decision, knowing that you are taking control of your account management. Deleting your account is permanent. Your activities, personal data, followers, and profile cannot be restored after deletion. Canceling your Strava subscription does not delete your account, and deleting your account does not automatically cancel your subscription. If you have a paid subscription, cancel it first through the platform where you subscribe to avoid future charges. Access to the email address associated with your Strava account is essential because you'll need to click a confirmation link sent by email to complete the deletion.